Hello friends, welcome to EduTricks with Renu. Today I am here with a very interesting video which you will definitely like, and I have some interesting tricks which you can use in your class to make your class more interactive and interesting. Okay, and you can develop creative thinking among the students through these tricks. So just have a look of these tricks. See, the first one is you can draw 0 on the board and ask your students to make 6 out of it. Okay, so 26 students out of 30 will definitely give answer to this question, and they will say that ma'am, by drawing a curved line here we can make 6, right? Then you can ask them that by drawing V on the board, you can say, students, now make 6 out of this letter V. Okay, so 20 students or I think 15 students will definitely give the answer, or if they will give the answer or they may not give the answer, it depends. Okay, but you can say that, dear students, answer to this question is C here. Now we have V here. V is the Roman 5, and by writing 1 here we can make 6. Isn't it more interesting? Right. Now, third trick which you can use in your class will be just draw 9, Roman 9 on the board, and ask your students to make 6 out of this number. Okay, now they will be thinking of curved lines, or they may say that by erasing or moving these lines here and there, or they will give different answers to you, right? They will give different answers, right? So then what you will do is you just show them that, dear students, just look at the board and you will get the answer. Just draw 9 here. You can say that by just writing a letter, you have got your answer. You have got your answer, that is 6 here. Okay, isn't it more interesting and interactive? This by using these tricks in the class, you can make your class more interactive. Students will take part in these tricks, in these questions. They will think that, wow, it is so amazing, it is interesting, right? Then we have fourth trick is just write 7 on the board and ask your students to make it even number. As we already know that 7 is an odd number, right? So ask your students to make it even, right? So student will say, ma'am, how can we make it even, as it is already odd number? And they will give you different answers, like they will say we will subtract 1 from 7 and it will become even. It will become even now. Then you can tell them, no beta, see here, after subtracting 1 from 7 we have got 6, and 6 is already an even number. And what we need to do is we need to make 7 as an even number. Okay, so then you will tell them ki beta, just look at the board and you will write 7 like this, 7, and by erasing S, by erasing one letter, by taking away one letter, 7 has become even now. Okay, isn't it more interesting, right? These are an amazing tricks which you can use in your class. Now the last one is, now we have fifth trick, which is the last. Okay, last one, not the least one. Now see, write 5 plus 5 plus 5, and you need to ask the students to make it equal to 550. Okay, ask the students to prove LHS equals to RHS. Okay, student will say ki no sir, it can't be possible. Ma'am, it can't be possible. They will show an inequality sign and say it can't be possible. So yes, it is not possible. So to make it possible, what you need to do is, how you can show it, that 5 plus 5 plus 5, that is 15. Okay, you can say ki 5 plus 5 plus 5 is equal to 550. You can prove it by just drawing one line here. Just drawing one line here, you can make it equal to 550. So now LHS is equal to RHS. So friends, I hope you have definitely liked these tricks. Okay, for more videos, subscribe onto our YouTube channel. Thank you so much. Have a good day.